What's up, guys? In this video we're going to be replacing this musty old shift knob off of John's 370Z with this nice extended one from Jackspania Racing. It comes with the shift knob and an extension for it. If you take a look at their website here, they have a ton of different parts for all types of different cars. And if you go to the interior section here, you can see they have all types of different shift knobs. This is the one we're going to be using. It is for this 370Z, and it comes with the extension and just the shift knob, which you can see they have a lot to offer on their website. And down in the comments below, I will have a pinned comment on a discount code you can get for this website that will give you a great deal on their parts for watching this video. So let's go ahead and get started with unboxing the shift knob and extension. Okay, so here's everything that comes in the box. This was the extension rod. This is the shift knob. You can see it comes in that bubble wrap. This is the extension rod. You can see it's engraved with the Jackspania Racing logo. And then this part here is the part that goes into the car. And then the shift knob here, which if I didn't mention before, this is a weighted shift knob. I don't know the exact weight, but it does have a really nice high quality feel to it. And it should make the shifting feel a lot better. It's engraved right here and on the top with the logo. And this is what goes on the top of the extension rod here. And it comes with a sticker. All good car parts come with a sticker. And then there's also adapters if we were to put it on a different sized shifter for like a different car. And then it also comes with the Allen key to adjust the height right here of the actual extension. And then that bolt there, I believe, is just to adjust the height of this. So let's go ahead and get started removing the OEM 370Z shift knob.
Oh my god, that's fucking destroying it. That's actually horrible.
If you didn't know, 370Z shift knobs are really hard to get off. I guess more than like a normal car where you can just do it by hand. You typically have to like mutilate them to get it off, as you can see right now.
I should try and sell this on a Facebook group. It literally
looks better.
Nutsack, dude. Maybe.
Oh boy, here comes the hard part. We thought it would be easy. Oh, there you go.
I just need to get that leather off. So that might be a tip and trick if you have a 372. Just like cut the leather and try to take the leather off, maybe.
Yeah, definitely made it a lot.
Because once that came off,
it
actually started spinning.
Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do the rest of getting that off, and then we'll show you how to put on the new one from Jackspania Racing. Okay, so when installing, we got that one off, by the way, but when installing the extension here, it comes with these 3 adapters. I guess I'll show on the floor here. For each different type of car, they all have the same outside thread size because that's what fits in the bottom of this. But then the hole here is a different size, so basically just pick the right one that fits your car, because you can see there that one's way too big and won't even stay on there. So we measured this one. This is the one that fits the 370Z. And then this piece here, we're just going to install in the bottom of that extension there, right in that little hole. And then once we have this piece on, we're just going to screw it onto the shifter here.
I need to do it too.
So you can see there's the plastic piece, the adapter, and the end of this. And then all we got to do now is just screw that on like that. And then just leave it at whichever direction you want it. Because if you want like your shift knob to be closer to you, you can have it over here. If you want it like more far, like forward or to the side, or just like in the rear, kind of in the middle. It's just kind of wherever you want your shift knob to be. And then these little adjustments here also adjust how tall it is. So this is the lowest setting, but you can also make it like way up here if you want with the included Allen key. And then after you have this on here, all you got to do is take the shift knob on there and then just thread it into the top of the extension, and then you're pretty much set. So here it is installed. You can see the shift boot doesn't really line up, but you could just fix that with some sort of ghetto fix. But it's definitely better down here at the lowest setting, because like up here would be like way too tall. But I could see this being useful in like a drift car where you have like a handbrake and you just want to be able to like move from your handbrake over to the shifter, from the shifter over to the handbrake. Because this is a lot higher and you can move it closer over here. But this is what it looks like here. You can kind of like spin it to adjust it wherever you want it. But it does make the shifting, I mean, it definitely gives you a lot more leverage, and it's weighted. So it feels pretty nice. It's a nice quality like shift knob to have in your hand. And then the reverse lockout still works. You just got to push down on the whole thing and then pull it over to put it in reverse. But be sure to check the description and the pinned comment below. There will be a special promotional offer code there from watching this video where you can get a discount that will be a better deal than if you were to just go to their website. And I will leave that in the description and in a pinned comment so you can be sure to find it. But that's pretty much it. Please leave a like and subscribe and comment down below. I will leave the link to John's channel down in the description too if you would like to follow more of this 370Z build. And then also the link down in the description to Jackspania Racing if you want to go buy one of these for yourself, as well as the discount code. But that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.